You know, I woke up this morning receiving a lot of messages from friends, from random people. May mention sa akin sa comment and all. And it's about the opinion of some queens in some show. And then they're criticizing the styling that I did for Mama Pao for the season 2 of Drag Race Philippines. And, you know, it kind of hurts. I'm not gonna lie, pero I'm very open naman. Kaya nga, I've been so silent until now about all the noise and then the criticisms about the styling and then the budget and all. Gusto ko magsalita talaga. Kung isa-save ko lang sarili ko, ang dami ko nang nasabi para lang maisalba yung aking reputasyon. Kasi syempre sa akin na siya nagre-reflect eh. Pero the thing is, sumusunod lang ako sa mga gusto ng kataas-taasan. And of course, I value and I love Mama Pao. I love our production and our prod. Okay naman, hindi nyo gusto go, okay lang. We're following a theme and lahat naman yan pina-approve, pinakita, in-approve ng kataas-taasan bago namin pinagawa, pinasuot, may mga last minute changes and all. It's just that hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung magkukultivate tayo ng hate na parang blame the styling team. Sila yung ganyan, the wig team, the hair team, na parang teka lang, diba we are all coming from the same show. Alam nyo dapat yung nangyayari sa production behind the scenes na may mga last minute changes talaga and all. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko lang gets yung ganun. And some people are really so quick to jump on the hate train talaga. And sayang yung platform. Ako, tahimik lang ako until now. It's just that hindi ko lang kaya na kawawa din naman yung team ko. And even kami, madaling araw na kung ano pinagagawa na. This is not a reason na, not a reason out kung ano yung resulta ng napapanood niya ngayon. But the thing is, sobra. We are all talking about budget and ano, obvious naman, I don't have to state the fact, pero we did what we could with what we have. Ayun lang talaga siya. So, hindi lang talaga ako nagsasalita kasi I'm protecting a lot of people, diba? So, I'm receiving all the blame, all the hate, na parang, diba, sometimes I even question myself na teka lang, pero yung pinagkukumparan nyo, ako rin naman gumawa, season 1. So, hindi nyo ba nag-gets na wala lang, parang diba, of course, season 1, campy, ganito. Season 2, gusto namin mag-follow ng 80s, 90s, simple lang. Kasi ang brief sa amin ni Mama Pao, na simple lang siya kasi she wants the queens na mag-shine this season na sobrang simple. So, mas na masama siya. Excited pa naman akong makita niya yung mga ganun kasimpleng looks. But eventually, bawal pala siyang